Today I'm launching a brand new SwiftUI series on the channel, building a to-do list app. We're going to be leveraging Firebase for a backend, SwiftUI for the UI, Xcode for our actual interface that you see here to write our application, and we'll even ship it to the App Store. Now let's take a look at what we're going to actually build. So here is the app we're going to put together. It is a full-fledged to-do list app. Here we can log in or register for a new user account. We're going to walk through the semantics of this. Let me go ahead and sign in here since I've previously created an account and take a deeper look. So here we'll type in our email and password, and hopefully I got those right, and boom, we are signed in. So here we can actually see our to-do list items that I've inserted, the due date. We also have these nice check marks here that both function in light mode and dark mode. We can of course swipe to delete an item and insert new items. Now this screen will also handle, error handling. So if we try to save it without typing in a title, if we type in a title, we also have this beautiful calendar right below it that we can use to select a date in the future interactively. And just like that, in real time, our new item does indeed show up. We also have the profile tab at the bottom right here. Now on here, we can see some of our basic user information, name, email. We can sign out. And of course, we're back at our login and register screens supporting both light and dark mode. The app looks beautiful. We're going to talk about all of these nice ways to set up our UI. So we are going to leverage Firebase for the backend. Here we've got authentication and our database for creating users and records respectively. We'll talk through all the different view models or views. If you don't know what any of those are, not to worry. Again, here are the technologies we'll be using. Super pumped to put this new series out. Hope to see you in lesson 1. Catch y'all there.